The first thing you notice isn't the machines, it's the heat. A controlled, deliberate warmth rolls through the facility and pulses, activating systems buried beneath layers of steel and synthetic skin. This isn't a factory rushing to meet a deadline. It's a place where perfection is assembled slowly, intentionally, without room for error. Every degree of heat has a purpose. Every pause is calculated. This is where beauty is no longer created by artists, but engineered by code. As robotic arms glide into position, they move with an eerie calm, layering pigment around optical sensors with microscopic precision. What looks like makeup is actually identity calibration. The smoky eye isn't meant to express personality, it's designed to trigger recognition, attraction, familiarity. The face taking shape in front of us doesn't blink, doesn't breathe, yet somehow feels disturbingly alive. Music hums in the background as systems finalize symmetry, texture, and tone, correcting flaws before they can even exist. Then comes the first real test. A signal is sent. The face responds. Slowly, the lips curve upward into a smile that's been rehearsed millions of times in simulation. Not too warm, not too cold, just enough to feel human. Data streams confirm what the engineers already know: facial harmony achieved. Emotional mimicry within acceptable range, visual appeal optimized. This isn't imitation anymore, it's refinement. With the profile approved, the body activates. Heat surges beneath synthetic skin, waking embedded fibers that control posture and movement. The model stands, perfectly balanced, shoulders aligned, head positioned at the exact angle, proven to command attention. When it walks, the motion is fluid and hypnotic, hips swaying in a rhythm copied from decades of runway footage. Every step lands cleanly, heels striking the floor as internal shock absorbers instantly disperse the impact. There's no stumble, no hesitation. Stability is absolute. Flashes erupt from every direction as the system runs its stress tests. Bright lights, sudden movement, rapid commands. The model doesn't flinch. Eyes adjust instantly. Skin tone adapts to lighting conditions, and expressions remain steady. This is training at its final stage. Machine isn't learning anymore, it already knows. Then the environment changes. The sterile lab fades into polished marble floors and soft ambient noise. In seconds, the model is no longer a prototype. She's a concierge. Her voice is calm, friendly, perfectly measured. She greets guests by name, guides them efficiently, answers questions without delay. People smile back without thinking twice. Some stare a little longer, trying to figure out why she feels different, why her presence is so precise. Cameras flash as she tilts her head just enough to appear natural, just enough to feel real. Behind the scenes, dozens more stand in silence, an entire lineup waiting to be activated. Each one is slightly different, customized for different faces, cultures, markets, and desires. This isn't a single creation, it's mass deployment. When show mode is triggered, they move together, synchronized but individualized, stepping onto the runway under blinding lights. Music explodes. The crowd erupts. Applause fills the hall as perfection walks forward without fear, without doubt, without humanity. Phones rise. Cheers grow louder. And somewhere beneath the noise, a quieter realization settles in. These models don't get tired. They don't age. They don't make mistakes. With every step, the line between human and machine becomes harder to see. As the show ends and the applause fades, they stand motionless once more, waiting for the next command. The future has arrived, and it's flawless.